Sterling, earlier this morning at 8:42, COMEX trading was halted for December futures because of cascading stop orders. There was just so much selling. Where's the floor?
Well, the floor on gold, it may be all the way down to 1,200. When gold has a problem, the selling becomes very acute and the market breaks very, very sharply. Gold does not perform well during crises. Gold usually performs well after crises when there's a threat of inflation. Right now, what we have going on in Washington is not inflationary. What it is, it's causing economic nervousness, and that can lead, obviously, to economic slowdowns or, God forbid, a recession.
Right.
And with that, that takes the inflation component out of gold, and that makes it very difficult to handle.
Now,
along with that, gold
right.
has a technical aspect.
Sure, Sterling, before we get to the technicals, though, you know, if you take a look at, say, the nomination of Janet Yellen, you take a look at how the debt ceiling has moved in tandem with gold, typically over the last few decades, gold is not moving like it used to. How many longs are there really in the market right now to shake out? Are we due for a bounce?
Well, how I see that, really, I think the appointment of Yellen should be probably beneficial to gold, depending on how the economy plays out and how she handles the quantitative easing situation. But more the near-term problem with gold right now is trading below $1,300. It's lost critical momentum, and if gold can't have that momentum, it has a difficult time rallying, and people you know, head for the sidelines very quickly.
And then real quick, what does that do to silver? Usually trades with gold, but 50% of silver is used for industrial markets.
Right. Silver has both a precious and an industrial component to it. Silver typically suffers worse than gold does. Silver has a lot of volatility issues with it because it's a much thinner market than gold is. It's also a much bigger contract, so the exposure you see in the futures market can be a lot bigger, and silver can be a lot rougher trade.